Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stumbling to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow if you're watching from Facebook or TikTok. Click on the notification bell if you're watching from YouTube, and always comment so that to help the algorithm move this video far. Do you understand? If you're a returnee and you have not subscribed, please also do the same. Subscribe, follow, click on the notification bell and the rest. My name is Sirmyke. Welcome to Sirmyke Nation. So I'm here to talk about something. A PlayStation headset. Do you understand? What am I talking about? I'm talking about this. This is an original PlayStation. I don't know if you can see the logo. Original PlayStation headset. Can you see? How to even know if your own is original? If your own doesn't have this, it's not original. And if this is an old type and not type C, it's not original. So now, my elder brother, because he's even the owner of this, he gave it to me just yesterday. He got this. This is the new one. This is Elite. This is also from PlayStation. This is their new model. This Elite, yeah, headset. This is the name of this is Elite. This is the newer version of this. But what makes them different is that now this you can't connect it to an Android phone. You can't connect this to an Android phone, but you can connect this to an Android phone without the dongle. Both of them has dongle. Do you understand? But you can only connect this directly to an Android phone or even an iPhone using a Bluetooth. I think here. Yeah, you switch it up here. I think yeah, see the on button, see the charging and the rest. So you can on this, you can switch on this, you can connect it to an Android, an iPhone, and everything. But this, let me keep it before it comes out. But this is an older version. You can connect it to using Bluetooth to an iPhone or an Android. I don't know. Maybe people complained about it and they now made the other version. Now, but I'm here to teach you guys how to connect this to an Android. But unfortunately, I lost the dongle because I'm not the one that lost it, because we relocated to another location. So the dongle got lost, but this couldn't get lost because this is bigger. The dongle is, let me show you another dongle. This is a dongle. This one is a dongle. It has a type, so you can boot it. But this dongle is for this. It's for this headset. It's a gaming headset from I don't even know the company, but it's a good gaming headset. But it stopped working. The mouthpiece stopped talking, so that's why I discarded it. But if it's to listen to music, it still works. Do you understand? This is for if you want to connect it to a PC or a phone that doesn't have a Bluetooth, or anywhere that doesn't have a Bluetooth but it has a type C. You can still use it. Now this is a dongle for this. This connects to Bluetooth to an Android phone, an iPhone directly using Bluetooth peacefully, no problem, or even to a laptop using Bluetooth. But if your laptop doesn't have a Bluetooth, you can use this dongle, or you can even use it in a PlayStation 5 or anything. You understand? This is an example of a dongle. Let's just say that. Let's just see this thing as a dongle for this. I forgot to say the name. This is Plug. Yeah, PlayStation Plug. P-L-U-S-E. Is it Plug or Plug? Yeah, it's a Plug. Sorry. Yeah, this is a PlayStation headset plug. Alright, I'm forgetting the name. You can Google it. So now, let's just say that this is the dongle for this. If you want to connect it to an Android phone, you use something like this, a Type C to Type A adapter. You put it here, like this. And if your phone is a Type C, example, let me show you guys. Okay, if you plug it to the phone, oh sorry, it's not even. The case is making it hard for you to connect. Okay. You see, it will shine light. It will shine light. But the original dongle of this, the light is here. So now, and once you connect it, you see the notification here. You see it on top of here. See it here. So is to show you that it's connected. So you can now search this. If yeah, but let's just say that in this scenario now, sorry, follow. In this scenario, I lost my dongle. How will you connect it to an Android phone? You can use an aux jack, aux, yeah. I don't want to use my. This is an aux example. This is an aux jack. There's longer one, there's shorter one. This is an aux jack. You plug it here and connect it to your phone. If your phone has an aux like this, have an aux. Can you hear it? It's playing. So to avoid copyright, so that's why I disconnected it. So it's playing. So now this is my phone. This is an Poco. It's a Redmi phone. It has an aux. But what happens in the situation whereby this is my Samsung? There's no aux connection. This is the pen. You see? This is the mouth. If you are speaking from here, this is the mouthpiece. My Samsung doesn't have an aux. So how will you solve this issue? That's where I had to use my critical thinking. I remember I got this. So I remember I got this. I bought it from AliExpress. Sorry, I think 2024. Back then, when I was driving a Ford Focus 3. Yeah, this is what I was using in the car. The car already has Bluetooth, but the Bluetooth mostly works for calls. So I had to use this to play music. So with this, you can put this is an aux cable as usual. When you plug the aux cable, what are you going to do? Like this, my phone, it has an aux. Sorry, yeah, sorry. Since the Bluetooth already has an aux, this thing falls off. Someone broke it when I was in the car. So since this Bluetooth has an aux, what are you going to do? Plug it, but you have to switch it on. This it's like and also here something is missing here. So if you look at this, it has a receiver and RX and TX. RX is receiving. This is receiving, but if you put it as TX, that means my phone doesn't have a Bluetooth. So I connect it to this. You understand? So it's now sent. If I put it in TX, you're not transmitting, you're not receiving. So you're now transmitting Bluetooth music to this, so that maybe this has a Bluetooth, but my phone doesn't have a Bluetooth, or my Bluetooth is not working. I have an aux. Do you understand? Do you have how it works? So let me try to search this phone and connect it to this, because let me use this as the example. Putting the name of this Bluetooth. Let me check this. Okay. Wait, I don't know if I connected to the original one. I connected to someone's Bluetooth, not this. Let's connect. I've really forgotten the name of this. Wait, let me try this XE. I have XE and X here. I've forgotten the Bluetooth name, but wait, let me check something. That's how I'll know the original one. Oh, okay. Let me switch it on back again. What? It was even the first one I connected. That is crazy. Yeah, it's playing. I don't know if you can hear it. So you see, I've converted this to a Bluetooth using a Bluetooth to audio jack. Sorry, aux to Bluetooth jack. I can listen to the music without using an aux to this. So I can now connect my Samsung, my iPhone, even my laptop using this jack. So it's working. I can dance. So I hope that this tutorial finds everybody well. It's just a short tutorial how to connect this to an aux cable or to a jack. Do you understand? Using how to connect to the Bluetooth. But let's tell ourselves the truth. The sound quality of this compared to the original dongle is not the same. This is slight okay compared to the original one. So at this junction, hope that this both have not bad, but it could be better. It's okay. So till next time, guys. Love you guys. Peace and love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell. If this is your first time, thanks for watching. If this is not your first time, please, and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. What else am I going to do today? I think I'm going to go and cook. Okay, then go and cook. This is Sunday. I forgot to say happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hope everybody's going to church. Kinda, I'm not going to church, so but I'm still going to go in the evening time. But this morning I'm not going this morning. So let me go and cook, guys. Thanks.